Now let's take a look at your markets picture, kicking things off with the JSE. Local markets trading mostly in the green today, or mixed at this point, following a dovish hold from the SARB. Stocks holding on to some gains as precious metals, of course, remain elevated. And with that, we are seeing the financial 15, the one leading the gains there, up 1.1%. Trading in the opposite direction, however, is the industrial 25, losing close to 0.7%. We are also seeing a bit of a blip, a bit of a dip when it comes to those resources, down 0.02%. Taking all of that into account, the JSE All Share still in the green, up 0.14%. Now let's take a look at what's playing out over in the US. The mood really downbeat with markets in the red. This as traders sifted through the winners and losers among big tech names, also offsetting optimism that Republicans and Democrats may strike a deal to avoid a US government shutdown. And with that, we are seeing the Nasdaq leading those losses, down 1.6%, followed by 0.7% decline from the S&P 500. The Dow Jones shedding 0.33%. Now over in Europe, trade on that side mostly in the green. The UK's FTSE 100 actually hit a record high on soaring commodity prices, and with that we are seeing it leading the gains on that front, up 0.8%. Also in the green is the French CAC 40, up 0.24%, but trading in the opposite direction is the German DAX, losing 1.5%. Moving over to the local currency, traders sifting through Governor Kganyago's first MPC meeting for the year. The rand losing some steam as we saw some dollar strength coming through. With that, we are seeing the rand losing some steam against major global currency pairs. Really is a broad-based loss day, but still at elevated levels. To the dollar, it's at 15.89, to the pound at 21.84, and to the euro trading just above 18.90. Now that dollar recovery comes after U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent shut down reports that U.S. could step into the currency market with the Japanese yen on intervention. And with that in mind, let's take a look at your other currency pairs. We are seeing the euro to the dollar at 1.19, the pound to the dollar at 1.37, and the dollar yen pair pretty weak, just above 153.